Right now, I will show how the screen function works. So an easy way is you long press the function button. Now then short press, the input line will cycle between 1 and 5. So number 1 is setting the charging power. Number 2 is setting the discharging power. Number 3 is setting the mode. Number 4 is setting the app connection. And number 5 is setting it's some development process. So in this case, what we will do is we will set to 033, which means we will set the mode. Oh, sorry. So there are 3 settings. Number 0 is off-grid. Number 1 is on-grid charging, and number 2 is on-grid discharging. In this case, we will set to 01, which is on-grid charging. Then we go to 01 and set the charging power. The maximum charging power is 800 watts. So in this case, I set it to 700 here. Then we just wait until it gets back to the screen, which means get to the main page, which means the setting is finished. If we are not certain, then what we do is we long press. Then we see 01 is 700 watts. We can long press to check our mode as well. So 03, 01 means we are doing charging. So charging at 700 watts. Now it will not do any charging process because the on button is not on. So the button on the right hand side is for main switch, so it cuts off the power for the entire system. So this one is for output or input setting. So if I press this, yeah, okay. Here it goes through some diagnostic process, and then the charging starts. So it will slowly ramp up from 0. All the way to close to 700 watts. So it's around 700 watts here, and we'll maintain around this value. If I want to shut it off, it's easy. So all I do is press this button again. It will immediately shut off. So now the battery is no longer charging.